The Fujifilm XT5 stands as a testament to Fujifilm's commitment to the art of photography. Announced in November 2022, it builds upon the legacy of its predecessor, the XT4, refining nearly every aspect to cater primarily to stills photographers seeking both high performance and a distinctive shooting experience. At the heart of the XT5 lies a 40.2 megapixel APS-C X-Trans CMOS5 HR sensor, the highest resolution in its class at the time of release. This sensor, paired with the new X Processor 5, brings not only breathtaking detail but also advanced color rendering and fast image processing, ensuring that each shot captures the nuance and vibrancy of the scene. Photographers will immediately notice the camera's tactile, retro-inspired design. With dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation, the XT5 places creative control at your fingertips, even when the camera is powered off. The magnesium alloy body is both compact and robust, with 56 weather-sealed points offering reliable performance in rain, snow, or dusty environments. Its compact size, reminiscent of the original XT1, makes it a perfect companion for travel and street photography, where discretion and portability are paramount. For image quality, the XT5 excels. The 40.2 megapixel sensor, enhanced by a proprietary X-Trans color filter, minimizes moire and provides exceptional detail, rivaling many full-frame competitors. At base ISO 125, images are remarkably clean, and the dynamic range allows for significant shadow recovery, making it well-suited for high-contrast scenes such as landscapes or urban environments. Fujifilm's renowned film simulations, including the new Reala Ace mode, offer photographers the ability to create distinctive looks straight out of the camera, reducing the need for extensive post-processing. Modes like Provia, Velvia, and Astia cater to virtually any subject or lighting condition, from lush landscapes to flattering portraits. Autofocus is another area where the XT5 makes significant strides. Leveraging deep learning AI, the autofocus system can intelligently detect and track a variety of subjects, including humans, animals, birds, and vehicles. With 3.3 million phase detection pixels covering nearly the entire frame, focus acquisition is quick and accurate, even in challenging conditions. While some competitors like Sony and Canon may offer a slight edge in autofocus reliability for fast action, the XT5 still delivers impressive results for street, portrait, and everyday photography. Handheld shooting is further enhanced by the 5-axis in-body image stabilization, providing up to 7 stops of compensation, ideal for low-light situations or when shooting with slower shutter speeds. The electronic viewfinder offers a bright, clear, and immersive experience, while the 3-way tilting LCD is optimized for photographers who prefer shooting from creative angles rather than front-facing vlogging. In terms of performance, the XT5 is fast and responsive, with a mechanical shutter capable of 15 frames per second and an electronic shutter that reaches up to 20 FPS. The high-speed electronic shutter also allows shooting at up to 1/180,000 of a second, opening creative possibilities in bright conditions with wide apertures. Battery life is excellent, often exceeding official ratings in real-world use, making it a dependable choice for long shoots or travel. For those who occasionally shoot video, the XT5 offers 6.2K and 4K recording with 4:2 10-bit color, F-Log profiles for post-production flexibility, and the option for raw output via HDMI. However, with a cropped sensor readout and a tilting rather than fully articulated screen, it's clear that video is not the camera's primary focus. Dedicated videographers might look to the XH2 or XH2S for more advanced features. Ultimately, the XT5's strengths lie in its image quality, portability, and hands-on control. It's a camera designed for those who value the photographic process as much as the final image, ideal for street, travel, landscape, and event photographers who want a powerful, reliable tool. For users who prioritize stills over video and appreciate a classic, engaging shooting experience, The Fujifilm XT5 is a compelling choice, blending modern technology with timeless design.